What are Wized elements and why do we need them? If you want to do anything in Wized, you need to add Wized attributes to your site. You can think of these attributes as hooks that allow you to connect your Webflow project to Wized. Adding the attribute WL will turn any Webflow element into a Wized element. Later, we can use these attributes in our Wized project to do all kinds of stuff. So let's get to a more practical example. Let's imagine we wanted to get items from an external source like Airtable, and we wanted to render these items on our site. To do that, we first have to choose a template element on our site. Let's say we wanted to use this item as our template element for rendering a list. So the first thing we have to do here is go to the settings of the element and add the WL attribute, like so. You can name the element any way you want, but we recommend using a descriptive name. This will help you stay organized when you have lots of elements in your project. What we like to do is use client-first classes, but instead of having these hyphens between words, we just turn it to camel case. Next, we have to add Wized attributes to any element that's going to be used inside of our template. These include the heading, the image, the paragraph, and any other element you have. Once we're done, it's time to publish our project and head over to Wized. The first thing you want to do here is hit Refresh Attributes up here. That's it. Now you should be able to find your Wized elements inside of the Actions panel and in Data In and Data Out when setting up requests. Now let's sum up what we just learned. If you want to do anything in Wized, from requests to actions and authentication, you will need to set up Wized attributes. You do that by going into the element settings and adding WL to the attributes. You can name the attribute anything you like. Once you're done with setting up the attributes, you need to hit publish and refresh the attributes in Wized. And finally, we learned that you can always see all of your Wized elements inside of the Actions panel and in Data In and Data Out when configuring requests. In the upcoming lessons, we're going to use these Wized elements to build all kinds of functionalities. I'll see you there.